Oh, welcome back to new video. Look at that, friends. Lot of car. Wow. Just look here. Lot of car. Just look. Wow. Plane, airbus. Wow, tram truck. Wow, look at that dragon. Oh no. Okay, let's see one by one. Wow, monster car. Wow, look. Great color. Okay, let's see next one is truck crane. Oh no, look at the front side.
Transformation! Yeah!
Just look awesome. And then city bus. Wow, yellow color city bus. Wow, well car. This is for a while. Wow, a small dump truck. Wow,
Dump truck.
Are you ready? Okay. Nice!
that is awesome. Okay, let's see. Next one is wow. This is also city bus. Okay. Wow. This is fire engine. Racer. Cycle car. Oh, red color. Oh no. Police bus. This is police bus, white color. Wow, this is plane. Okay. Let's see next one is wow. This is makes a truck. Oh no. Yellow color makes a truck. Wow. This is tanker. Wow.
And prioritize the safety of the crew. It is equipped with composite armor and advanced protection, communication, and intelligence systems. It has a range of 450 kilometers and can cross areas with water.
Wow, wow. Just look, friends, awesome tanker. Wow, fire truck. This is fire service car. Wow, this is big dump truck. Oh no. Big. This is too much big. Wow, friends, bullet train. And then, wow, McQueen. Oh no, look.
We need to loosen those ancient joints. First, the wheels. And forward. And rest. And forward. And rest. Join me. Rest.
Friend. Wow, helicopter. Just look, friends. Yeah, here was green color. Wow, this is a school bus. Luxury bus. Wow. Police car.
Hey! Help me!
Double decker. Bus. Wow, this is for water car. Fire service car. Wow, truck exhibitor. Oh no, roller car. Small. This is small roller car. Wow, police ambulance. Oh my god, this is dragon. Wow, it's a danger. Yes. And then all is finished. Thank you, friend, for watching. Please subscribe.